Gratitude meditation. We all know that we should cultivate feelings of gratitude. Yet, if there's any areas of our lives where we feel we are lacking or we desire more, we can often lose sight of what we have. This meditation is designed to encourage you to hone in on everything that you have, but also everything that you currently do not have. As we remind ourselves that everything has its own time and place, and that gratitude is the foundation for happiness. Beginning this process by bringing your awareness to your breath, noticing the subtle motions of your breath as you breathe in feelings of gratitude and you breathe out feelings of lack. I would like you to bring your attention to all of the things in your life that bring you joy. The people, the places, the memories, the tangible things. And just imagining all of those things together, uplifting you. We're going to repeat 2 words 3 times. I appreciate. I appreciate. I appreciate. And just noticing how that is for you as you channel gratitude towards the things that bring you joy. I'd now like you to bring your attention to the parts of your life which currently do not bring you joy. The areas in which you feel lack, or you have desires the parts where you feel voids and as though something is missing. We're going to repeat the same 2 words 3 times. I appreciate. I appreciate. I appreciate. As hard as this may be, continue to repeat these words towards the things that you do not have, recognizing that everything you have at the moment is right for you, and everything that you do not have is not yet the time for you. Trusting in divine timing. Continuing to send feelings of gratitude to all areas of your life. And if there is anybody in your life causing conflict or confrontation, I would like you to consider sending that person compassion. I trust that everyone and everything in my life is right for me right now. I am exactly where I am supposed to be. I believe in myself. And I have faith. Most of all, I appreciate. And then starting to bring yourself back, carrying these feelings of gratitude with you for the rest of the day. Namaste.